Welcome back to another tech tip by Appliance Video. Today we're going to take a look at what is the difference between convection baking and conventional baking. Be sure to visit ApplianceVideo.com, where you will find thousands of videos on the latest technology. For a limited time, you could save big on an annual membership and take advantage of all our premium benefits. ApplianceVideo.com. Do it right the first time. Convection baking has a fan that circulates hot air over and under the food. The moving air disturbs the layer of cold air around the food, allowing the heat to surface around it. As a result, foods cook more evenly and are cooked 25% faster than conventional baking. When cooking food in the conventional baking mode, the bake element turns on at the bottom of the oven, and the heat rises from the bottom to the top. This method takes 25% longer than the convection baking method and does not cook the food as evenly. So it sounds like convection cooking is the clear winner, but are there drawbacks? The disadvantages of cooking in a convection oven is that the convection fan can sometimes be rather loud while cooking, and occasionally the convection fan can blow around foil or parchment paper, interfering with your cooking or baking. So there may still be times where it's better to cook conventionally. If this video helped you, like the video, subscribe to our channel, and I'll see you in the next one.